What you should do and not do when marketing. Effective marketing is essential for any business and encompasses diverse methods such as social media marketing, email marketing, SEO, PPC advertising, influencer marketing, event marketing, and direct marketing. Employing a combination of these methods can help engage with and attract target customers. In marketing a business, one should prioritize providing value to customers, building a strong brand identity, researching the market, and adhering to ethical and legal principles. Moreover, continually assessing and modifying marketing strategies is crucial to ensuring they align with business objectives and yield desired results. What you should do. Know your target audience and adjust your messaging and marketing channels accordingly. Create valuable content that provides solutions to your target audience's pain points. Test and measure your marketing efforts to see what's working and what's not. Be authentic and transparent in your messaging and customer interactions. Build relationships with your audience through engagement and communication. Stay ahead of industry trends and changes and adapt your marketing strategies accordingly. Use data and analytics to inform your decisions and optimize campaigns. Continuously evaluate your return on investment, ROI, and adjust your spending and effort as needed. What you should not do. Spam your audience with irrelevant or excessive messages. Make false or misleading claims about your product or service. Ignore customer feedback or concerns. Rely on one marketing channel without testing and diversifying. Neglect the importance of building a brand and establishing a strong identity. Try to please everyone and dilute your message and target audience. Overlook the importance of creating a consistent and cohesive message across all marketing channels. Forget the importance of building a relationship and trust with your audience. Overall, successful marketing involves a balance between creating value for your target audience and establishing a strong brand identity, while staying authentic and transparent in your communication and relationships with customers.